Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna check out this game called Collecting Simulator or Cash Taker Simulator. I don't know, but I'll check that after. So today we are back with these people. I don't know if you remember them, but they were my friend. And, well, these are these people. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one are from it. Like these ones. They're watch this one. Watch this now. He's not gonna go like sideways like that, and then like he could just go straight, or like walking straight, and then turn at the exact time. See, watch this. Move. She was walking down and then went straight over there. So yeah. So we're gonna check this out. I already got some people. So yeah. I've been playing this game for 1 hour, so yeah. And it just came out yesterday on the first of 2018 on the 18th day in 2018. So I think that sounded weird. So my backpack is full, so I have to put it in. If you want one of these, but you already have one of these, you go to the game studio all the way over there. If you can't see it, I don't know. And if you want some good backpacks like this, go to the backpack shop. If you want to sell your money and it says this, just walk all the way over here. If you're interested. And it says Bank Vault. Then you go over there. See, these people can't go in it because this white line, they can't go through past it. Watch. My buddies can't even go past it. If you're at least this long, they walk. So yeah, I just sell my money, and see, I'm getting more money. You see, my backpack over here. So yeah, so we are gonna. Ooh, there's Asimo. TP has been. Oh yeah, and I can get legends and low ones. Hi, I'm fine. Midget. Hey, you wanna join my team? Yeah, I just invited you anyways, and you just joined. Nobody cares if you join them. So yeah. Should we ask a noob if they want to join us? Yeah, let's ask him. Bye, noob. I just checked the noob money. Oh wait. Whoa! He creeped me up. And this is where I got the GOS. I don't know. So yeah. Woo. So comment down below if you played this game and then bought some money or got the money and got the grab cash. Oh wait, it's called grab cash simulator. And my backpack is already full. Wow, that's really fast. And we're trying to get the unknown players ground battle. And it can give you $7 at a time, and it can attract 12 legend customers or pro, whatever you see down there. Okay, got my whole team with me, and let's go over here now. Gotta drop off my money. And you have to touch these white thingies. See that noise? Yes. So we're close to 200,000 until I get that. Is he already hired? Nope. Oh yeah, he is. Sorry for the coughing. Ooh, Bad CC. Admiral and Bad CC is from Customers are always getting banned because I'm doing the. Okay, you're back. Cause Bad CC he needs to be with you, Asmo, and I lost. If I lost him, oh, I think he went this way. Ripple mini games. Gotta get into. No, I didn't want you. I wanted Ripple mini games. Oh, I like the old man. The old man is really cool. Oh, Betsy, say you better. Oh, I got them. Okay. Betsy, say you better get. Oh wait, I lost Asmo. Please squeeze in here. Okay. Where'd he go? Betsy, say get back. Where are you going? Oh yeah. Betsy, say you better get back in here. Betsy, say. Never get yeah. You're in big trouble, Batsy, say. Ooh, my backpack. Ooh, the noob team is coming. Run! Hey, I ain't losing you. Okay, so I'm the highest person in this entire area. I want to get all legendary ones. They only get him. No. Yes, I got it. Hey, you're not going against that wall. Hey, Betsy Sissy. Okay, stuck. Ooh, another Ripple Games. Hey, you ain't gonna run, guys. Okay, we got 4 legendaries in here. Oh, Asmo. I just saw Asmo. Go this way. There's Asmo. Did you guys just see me?
That's mine.
Come on, let's smoke. Come on, let's go, yo. We got an Asimo with us and a bad CC. Oh. Please come with us. Yeah, you gotta come with us. Yeah, you do not run away from me. Okay, we got two more. We need two more. These empty. Okay. Two more legendaries. Okay. So I'll meet you when I get two more legendaries in time. So yeah. So guys, unfortunately, I can't fight anymore. So I just got two more pros and one enthusiast. So yeah. So let me sell them and then see how much I get every time. If you have a timer, then you will see how long I get money in 2,500. So yeah, I think. So we're already at 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600, 1500, 1600, 1700, 800, 1800, 1900, 2000, 2100, 2200, 2300, 2400, 2500. I think we're getting 30 every time there. So yeah. So I just needed a little bit more to get it. So we're gonna wait until we get that. So yeah. Hold up. We are not gonna get something whether I don't know. We are gonna wait until we get the same lightsaber, whatever that is. But not the last one, this second last one. So we are sitting there. I'll show you what I need and what I want to get. So I really wanted to pick up gods. And I was gonna get the gold vault there. Oh, that I lost the customer. So here is a game studio. I really wanted this, and I wanted it until I was playing the game. But this one, next time I would get this one. But first, I want this one. It can pick up 15 gods, and that's crazy. So, hope you like this video. Bye.